How to turn on or turn off interaction control shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. In accessibility, go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Then scroll down and tap on interaction control. Now in here, tap on interaction control shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn it on, there will be a pop-up. Just tap on the turn off button to switch it on. You can tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose which shortcut to use. So here you can use press side and volume up buttons. So that's the side button and the volume up button. Or you can choose press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Or you can select both. So here if I press on the side and volume up button, that will turn on a menu, and here I can turn on interaction control. So here's open an app to activate the interaction control. So for example, if I open up an app, say gallery, here I can press on it and then select interaction control from the menu and then tap on done, and that will block a small part of the screen. If I want to block on the whole screen, I can do so as well. So here I can choose interaction control, and here I will block the whole screen and then tap on done. Then that whole screen will be blocked, so I cannot do anything. It is quite useful if you need to activate an app and you don't want the use, or if you want to hand the phone over to someone else and you don't want them to interact with the app, you can just simply lock the screen. And that is the interaction control. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.